Hi, welcome back to Kianda the Smart Home. Do you have any unused Android phone? If yes, this video is for you because I show you how to turn your unused Android phone into a security camera easily. It can be done in a few simple steps by using Evilink app. At first, you have to update your Evilink account to advanced plan. Then, Evilink camera must be downloaded and installed on your Android phone. That's it. Let's do it together. Before that, subscribe and press the bell button to receive every new video. From Play Store, I search Evilink camera. This is Evilink camera app. I tap install to download and install it on Android phone. The app is installed. I tap open to run the app. I give all permissions to the app. In this section, we have to enter our Evilink account credentials. After entering credentials of Evilink account, tap login. Camera is on. Please open Evilink app to check live camera view. I open Evilink app. You see Evilink camera is added to the list of my paired devices. I tap on it to open it. And there is the live view of camera. The battery status of Android phone is displayed at the top right corner of camera screen. Battery level can be used as trigger in scenes. There are two items, battery level below 20% or higher than 80%. You can view the camera from Echo Show, Google Nest Hub, and Evilink Web. Talking about features Evilink camera offers, you can enjoy two-way talk by tapping on phone icon. It is enabled and you can disable. You can disable or enable microphone. Also, you can take pictures. Taken pictures are saved in your album. The gallery of your phone, you have Evilink app on it. There is flashlight. You can enable or let's say turn on flashlight of your Android phone or turn it off. There is a siren. By tap on it, alarm goes off. You can trigger siren in scenes action. There is motion detection. You can enable or disable it using either Evilink app or Evilink camera app. I enable it using Evilink app. While motion detection is enabled, as soon as movement is detected, an alert will be sent to your Evilink account or let's say Evilink app. Also, 10 seconds clip will be recorded and stored to your phone. Disable motion detection using Evilink camera app. There is power saving mode. The app will lower screen brightness to save battery 3 minutes after inactivity. You can rotate camera. And also you can flip camera and use the front camera of your Android phone. Navigate to setting of Evilink camera using Evilink app. You can change its name. You can share it with Evilink users or share it via WhatsApp. There is local recording. Battery alerts, which by default is enabled. You can disable it or enable it. Also, there is a feature, auto low light filter, which is useful when there isn't enough light. From the screen of Android phone, we have local recording. You can record in the memory of your Android phone. We have recording setting. Also, we have settings. Here you can use front camera or rear camera. You can enable or disable microphone, overheat protection. We have muting paired with Bluetooth accessory. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Press the bell button if you haven't done yet. I'll see you in the next video.